Hello darlings, you are welcome to my channel Zesta Africa. So today I'm bringing to us the summary of this week's episodes on Saras and Komod. You already know how we do it. Let's get to the video.
1st June 2025. Kumud imagines a painful scenario where Saras refuses to believe her about Kabir and Ghuman. Although it's just in her mind, the fear unsettles her. Saras notices her unease, but Kumud hides it and shifts the topic. Later, she helps him with work late into the night, and he is touched by her support. The next morning, Saras is relieved and grateful to Kumud for completing the work. He decides to pass on a sentimental pen from his father to Danny for his first major deal, proud of this gesture. Meanwhile, Danny feels increasingly guilty for hiding the truth from Saras, though Ghuman urges him to stay focused. Danny surprises Saras by saying he can't attend a crucial investor meeting due to another commitment. Saras is disappointed, especially since Kumud helped prepare everything. Danny shares his guilt with Kabir, hinting he may not be able to keep the secret much longer. Saras grows suspicious and visits the Desai house, where Kabir and Danny quickly hide. Kalika tells him Kumud is also not around, and her phone is unreachable. Inside the house, Saras hears a phone ring and finds Kabir there, who covers up the situation smoothly. Once alone, Kabir hints at continuing his secret plans with Ghuman. Meanwhile, Kumud goes to Kabir's hotel room, determined to uncover the truth. She finds hidden painting supplies, confirming her suspicions. Elsewhere, Danny nails the presentation and feels accomplished, hoping Saras will be proud of him. 2nd June 2025. Saras and Kabir search for Kumud, with Saras growing increasingly anxious. Kabir tries to comfort him and even asks how he and Kumud fell in love. Saras shares their complicated past, how he initially rejected the marriage, but Kumud challenged him to meet her face to face. He reveals his deep-rooted fear of losing loved ones stemming from his mother's abandonment. Meanwhile, Danny is excited after a successful meeting, only to be shocked when he opens his suitcase and finds it filled with drugs instead of project samples. He's stunned and scared, realizing he's been set up. Saras and Kabir continue their search until Kumud finally calls, saying she's home. Saras rushes back, scolds her for disappearing, and questions her. She lies about going to school to avoid worrying him, especially with Kabir present. Saras notes how helpful Kabir was while expressing concern about Danny's odd behavior. After Saras leaves, Kumud vows to uncover the truth about Kabir and Ghuman. When Danny arrives home looking shaken, Kumud confronts him. He eventually confesses that Kabir offered him a project after Saras dismissed his ideas. But it was a trap. Drug packets were planted in his suitcase and he was threatened with blackmail. Kumud is horrified and urges Danny to go to the police. Though afraid, Danny agrees to wait until Saras returns from his meeting. Kumud suspects Kabir's involvement but knows they need proof. When Ghuman enters the messy room, Kumud and Danny cover up with a quick lie. 3rd June 2025. Danny, determined to confess to Kabir, is stopped at a police checkpoint. The police discover drugs in his car, and despite his pleas of innocence, he is arrested. Danny manages to call Kumud from custody and confesses everything. Saras is shocked and furious but decides to track down the real culprit while Kumud and Ghuman head to the police station. Saras confronts Kabir, who pretends to be surprised and manipulates the situation to make himself look helpful. Meanwhile, Ghuman accuses Kabir of framing Danny, but Kabir convinces her that it will ultimately benefit her if Danny is seen as her son and not Saras's brother. Kabir arrives at the station with the real culprit, who confesses to framing Danny. Danny is released, but deeply hurt that Saras wasn't there for him. Ghuman seizes the moment to turn Danny against Saras. When Saras returns, Danny coldly rejects him, expressing deep betrayal and distancing himself from both Saras and Kumud. Despite Saras trying to explain, Danny refuses to listen and decides to leave the house with Ghuman and Kusum. Ghuman is pleased, having successfully driven a wedge between the brothers. The family is left shattered by the growing rift. 4th June 2025. Danny, heartbroken and angry, decides to leave the house, calling Saras his stepbrother. Saras is devastated by Danny's words and feels deeply betrayed, especially since he raised Danny like his own. Kumud and Kusum try to convince Danny that Saras has always loved him like a real brother, but Danny remains firm. When Danny starts to leave, Saras pleads with him to stay and explains everything, how he went to catch the real culprit and why he wasn't at the police station. Despite Saras' heartfelt apology, Danny still prepares to leave, prompting Saras to declare that he and Kumud will leave the house instead. Ghuman is stunned, and Kumud pleads with Saras not to go, reminding him of their promise to keep the family together. Just then, Badima arrives with Gunyal and firmly announces that no one will leave the house, especially with Navratri beginning the next day. She asks Kumud to perform the puja, and Kumud vows to reunite the brothers within the 9 days of Navratri. Meanwhile, Ghuman believes it's impossible to mend things now. Later, Saras and Kumud argue in their room. Saras feels abandoned, believing he's lost Danny and Kumud. Kumud pleads with him to give her 9 days to fix everything, but Saras insists nothing will change and declares he'll leave on the 9th day. Kumud asks him to attend the Navratri Aarti, but Saras says he's losing faith in God. Kumud, however, remains determined that he will come. 5th June 2025. Kumud and Kusum prepare for the evening Aarti, urging Danny and Saras to join. Danny is upset, and Saras initially resists Kumud's efforts, though he later takes the puja items from her. Meanwhile, Ghuman meets Kabir, who is painting her portrait and discussing their plan to keep the brothers divided. She feels both flattered and unsure about Kabir's feelings, seeing potential to use him to get Danny back. Back home, Kumud encourages Saras to come to the Aarti, but he refuses, feeling hopeless about mending his broken relationship with Danny, who believes Saras abandoned him in jail. Kusum tries to comfort Danny, telling him Saras does love him despite the misunderstanding. Kalika, worried about losing her room and fearing Dinesh Bhai, complains about Kumud's efforts and doubts the family will reunite. This concern leads to tension among the elders, who emphasize maintaining family unity and values. As the Aarti begins, Kumud lights the diya and prays with tears, hoping for reconciliation. Saras, meanwhile, is alone, emotionally distant, and refuses to come join, feeling hurt and unsupported by Kumud. The episode ends with everyone watching Kumud's heartfelt Aarti, while Saras struggles internally with his pain and refusal to participate. 7th June 2025. Kumud becomes suspicious of Kabir when she overhears him on the phone telling a doctor to follow his instructions regarding Lakshminandan. Kabir says he's close to his goal and cannot afford betrayal now. Meanwhile, Saras meets with a lawyer and signs papers to transfer all his property to Danny, showing his love and sacrifice for his brother. Badima visits Saras' home and is rudely treated by Ghuman, leading to a tense exchange. Saras arrives, calms the situation, and invites Badima in, showing his continued respect and affection for her. At Kumud's home, she overhears her parents speaking positively about Kabir, who has offered them money as rent. They are grateful, but Kumud remains uneasy, sensing something wrong about him. Determined, she sneaks into Kabir's locked room while he's away, looking for evidence. She finds a suspicious house model and tries to access his laptop but fails. When Kabir returns home, Kumud hides. Kabir senses something is off. His books and drawers are out of place, and his window is open. He becomes alert, while Kumud, hiding nearby, realizes Kabir is plotting something dangerous that could harm their entire family.